But
I would like to be able to stick to the deadline that we set.
yes. Well,
But
there's a lot going
that
on
means
in there.
ignoring 4 more cars.
Yeah, we can't do that.
And I
either.
can't do that.
And I got to go do Barry's AC.
Yep.
I'm doing that next week instead of today.
We still have the Javelin to do.
The Javelin,
Yeah,
that's going to be a
one's
little this
electrical.
afternoon. And these two have to get done eventually. But that line of 4 out there
Yeah.
is, yeah, we got a lot going.
Yeah. Well,
We're
I'm thinking
busy.
Once this one's gone, that one's the next one to start. So we'll just roll that one forward into this position, and we'll start on that one and go back and forth from that one to those.
Yeah.
This way we have room. We've made room for storage if needed, whatever, blah, blah, blah,
Well,
blah.
we do know that we can get, as soon as Joey's stuff all gets here, one day, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, done.
Done and out. That, the Avanti, John's car, that's taking a while. And the other
then
Mustang.
The new Mustang that just showed up literally this morning. So we've got that one here.
That's a whole other ball of wax. And
Yeah,
we gotta get T-Bird done before we get that one done. So we got stuff
And
going.
T-Bird.
Yeah, and there's a T-Bird.
So I'm thinking, because the new Mustang that just showed up, the white one, is going to be, it's going to be here a while, I get the feeling.
Yeah, it's engine swap, but we need to look at some stuff.
Okay. So I'm thinking that one needs to go there.
Yeah, because we could do whatever we need to here.
And then roll this forward to this
Here.
spot, so then this way.
And this one's so small, we can turn it completely 90 degrees.
Yep.
We're getting way off topic on Mo's video.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to
Sorry,
cut
Mo.
this. I'm going to cut it. We'll finish up, and then I'll separate it, and I'll be Mo's, and then shop update.
There you go.
So yeah, when you see this as a shop update video, just know it started as a Mo video, and we snowballed.
Yeah.
But,
Us, Snowball? No.
hey, what you do after hours is your own business.
This is true. This is true.
You
Well, you know,
what?
I like polishing, so I'm pretty good at it. At least that's what the last bathroom wall said.
For good polish, call Scottie.
1-800.
Don't give away your secrets. Anyway, so lots going on. Did I mention we have lots going on? And we're loading the race car too at the same time.
Yeah.